It's Cece Wong here from Orlando, Florida. I hope you are staying safe and healthy. For this month's Realtor Tool of the Month, I want to share with you how we are selling homes in light of the coronavirus, still at full market value using videos. Now, in addition to the professional, beautiful photos that we always take for listings, we are creating 3 different types of videos. I am sharing with you below the actual videos that I use for listings so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And so I'm gonna share and explain with you how I use this so that you can see if you can implement this as well. So the first video is a 2-minute marketing teaser video. The point of it is just to get interest for the buyers, and a lot of buyers like to watch videos in addition to the photos because they want to see if they can get a little bit more information about the home. For example, the layout, how one room connects to the other, how the kitchen and living are connected. So in a video pan of that, they can see a little bit of that. So it helps them to confirm that's the type of home and layout that they want. So when you create the 2-minute video, make sure to add just a little bit more than you could get from photos so that buyers can see that. But you don't want to give away everything because the point of it is to gather interest, is to have them call you, is to schedule the appointment because you want to get to that point. The second video that we create is I call it an exclusive room by room video walkthrough. And this is a much longer video. It's about up to 20 minutes long, which if you think about it is the amount of time that a buyer actually spends when they come for an in-person showing. And so you want this to be as much of a replacement as possible. I don't know about you, but as a buyer agent representing the buyers, I've asked other listing agents for videos, and what they send me is like a 1 to 2 minute quick scan of the house that does not really help my buyers. It's like they didn't really see it. They still need to go in to see the home. And so if you want to create a true virtual showing experience, you want to make this detailed room by room video very detailed. And you will see the example below that I have. I actually open kitchen drawers, I open appliances, I bring up the toilet seat to see inside. You know, you want to make sure, of course, this is a home that's going to be in great condition. That's what I always advise sellers, to be able to get the most money for their home. And so you want to go through slowly and in detail. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're panning, just make sure you pan slow because it'll feel like in person you can just move your camera quickly, but when the person is viewing it, it gets dizzy and moving around. So you just want to move a little bit slower. Now, I actually just use my cell phone. I have an iPhone. I think it's the latest one, closest to the latest one. And it has a great video, great video. So I just use that and I go through the home. And what you want to do is you want to go above and beyond. You want to wow the buyers, right? You want to show them things that maybe they didn't even think that they should check. And so when they feel that, they feel like nothing is hidden from them and they have truly seen the home. And that's how you're going to get a buyer into a position where they can actually feel like they can make an offer. In addition, I advise all of my sellers to get a pre-listing home inspection. And then I advise did I say buyers? I advise the sellers. And then I get the sellers to understand how important it is to fix all the major items. And I stamp it on the report that it's been fixed, this has been fixed, this has been fixed, so that the buyer, again, everything is transparent. And when you are transparent, buyers feel confident about making a great offer on the home. And so all of this is an opportunity to be able to sell the home for full market value with very limited in-person showings. There is also a third video. The third video is about the community, the lifestyle of what this home brings. It's much more than just that specific home. But if there are amenities and community features, I just walk through it with my cell phone, and I pan and take little snippets, and then I just put it together on a simple iPad video editing software, or you can hire someone to do it, whichever you prefer. But it's just so helpful because buyers can, again, see the lifestyle, what it's like living in that community. And these are things that maybe they didn't even think to go around and drive through as detailed, and they get to see it all. So the more that you give them, the more they feel confident about making an offer. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to let me know. I appreciate in advance your referrals for anybody you know moving to and from Orlando. If there's anything further I could help you with, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.